It's so good to see you out there. I know it's been a little while. I haven't been filming stuff, but yeah, got pegs. There's pegs right up here beside you. These, they're a little grip. They have grip on them, but that's okay. I'll just, and later in the future, I'll get some that are smooth kind, but they work really good. I got a few tools here for the job today. Yeah, couple things. You might notice that, probably can't tell, but this wheel is kind of worn out. So, I'm replacing it with the rear tire. You guys probably didn't know. This tire, I got a new one because this is the old one and it kept popping. Because normally, whenever you do tricks, you normally do stuff in your rear wheel. So I'm replacing this with this one. Probably gonna be this one. And this one's kind of worn out. See if it'll give me some better traction. As you might have noticed, I'm brakeless now. So I don't have any rear brake anymore. My brake broke like towards the end, it frayed up so you couldn't run it through anymore. And since it broke, I was like, well great, now what am I gonna do? And I was like, well, I guess I could just take it off, then I could practice my bar spins a lot more. I'm almost ready to do a bar spin. It's just a really scary trick to try to nail sometimes as like a beginner. I'm really always nervous about throwing the bars, but other than that, let's get into the job. First, we're going to start changing this wheel out. Alright guys, we have finished the front wheel. Have way more grip on it. You can probably tell the difference between these two wheels. Bring it up close. So this is the brand new wheel. And this is the old wheel. Look at that. 40 psi, 40 psi. Look how easy they get worn out. I haven't even had this long. I think it's the gravel in my driveway, I'm not sure. So, other than that, we changed out this wheel. I've been thinking about what I should do with these pegs, because they're screw-ons. But if you guys have experience with BMX, you know what screw-ons do to you. You grind on a ledge, and they just come on loose, and if you tighten them too much, they strip your things. So, I think what I'm gonna do is get one of these. But I need an extender, and I don't have that right now, so I'll have to probably wait a few days to see if I can get one. So, like, I think what I'll do is I'll unscrew these bolts, screw this on, then put the bolt on the outside of the screw thing. Kind of like these. So, say there's one in here. Of course there is not. Yeah, well that's annoying, but let me tighten these down nice and tight. Make sure I don't crash next time I use them or ride somewhere. Okay, nice and tight. For now I can just screw them on, but it's probably not gonna look very good. like those where you don't see the bolt. Yeah, it's on there, but it's like really hard to like screw on and stuff because like the stuff inside is kind of stripped. I mean, it works. It would just be like, it's just a little harder, if you will. So yeah, I think this will have a little more grip to it. Yeah, so that's kind of some new stuff that will be in the video.
I thought Dad was here, or is that you talking?
This is me talking to the... Hey, do you want... No, she's not, brother. So, a couple more things I want to tell you guys before we go. And before I'll put these things on in probably the next video. I'm also going to the beach, so it'll be a little while. So I'll probably do another video of me trying to put these on the way I want. A few extra things. If you guys want to see merch in the near future, subscribe right now. Pause the video, go down below, subscribe, and like this video. And if you want to see merch in the near future, put it in the comment section down below, hashtag merch, and I will see. First off, I want a lot of subscribers and likes on videos if you want to see merch in the near future. So if you want to see merch, press a like down below, hit that bell, leave a comment, and yeah. Other few things, I've been practicing some new tricks. Yeah, I've been practicing 180s. I've been trying to do 360s. Been practicing bar spin. Get better at a manual. Getting pretty good at grinds. I'm not so good at the double peg grinds yet, but it's a really hard sport to learn. But once you get it, it's really fun. So, other than that, we got a new wheel on here that's nice and strong. I hope. Okay, guys. It's a few days later. We didn't have the right parts. My dad didn't have the parts at his office, wherever he had extra stuff for the project of the bolts for the BMX big stuff. Anyway, oh, I'm so sorry. So, I actually just bought one at Walmart. It has a set of my own that I can take around anywhere I go. And yeah, I have to use my foot to slow down here. Now I'm brakeless. Okay. So, we'll take this up there. And then, we'll start working on the, pegs. Okay guys, I believe this is what I'm trying to accomplish here. So the bolt, as you can probably see, is in there. Let's see, maybe I can put it in there a little. Probably can't really see, but there's the bolt up in there. And then so what I did was, so I screwed this on first, then I put the bolt in. And so now they're not going to want to move, because it's now the same as these rear pegs. For now, this is what I'm going to do, but I did just buy the tool just for this, just for the screw-ons. I bought these. One, help my dad maybe use it too, and two, then I can screw these on to the pegs, and it'll work better. So other than that, it's, yeah, I really like it, and I think it's good to do better, I guess, on the grinds. You know what? Why don't I get my chest mount on? We're gonna do my first grind for you guys. Okay, guys. So yeah, now I have this on my chest, and yeah. So you probably noticed I don't have any brakes. Way of stopping with my foot, as you saw a little bit earlier in this video. I have a full guarantee of stopping, and the brake could stop and not work. Okay, so I'll just do the front pegs for now, as I'm not super good at grinding so far, but I know you guys will get what you get and you'll feel fit. So far, oh, see, I just hit my rear peg, it's so dumb. But other than that, my GoPro might die, so I'll just have to, I might leave you at a dumb spot, but yeah, so I've gone down a couple hills and stuff down our road with no brakes, and it makes things really a lot more fun, you know, because see, you never really know what you're gonna get, and you know, it's just like you just gotta have faith in yourself. I've been practicing manuals too. Come on, let me try that again up here. All right, here we go. Come on, car coming, I gotta go. Other than that, whatever. So, I've been getting a little bit better bunny hops too. And my bars haven't been moving, so I've kind of got a lot of this BMX stuff figured out pretty well. Getting better, I've been practicing 180s and stuff. As you can see, I took this part off and just did some electrical tape stuff. Probably get some more, but they feel really good. I've been practicing bar spins and stuff as well. Yeah. So other than that, subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!